stay tuned for a giveaway in this video. Hey guys, my name's Noah. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please take a second to hit the subscribe button down below. I do a ton of fun like vlog videos, plant videos, lifestyle videos, home decor. Like if you're into all that, then you're gonna be into this channel. So please make sure you hit the subscribe before you leave here today. Hey guys, just popping in real quick to give you guys the details on the giveaway. But basically, my friend Amarilys Rivera here on YouTube just hit 500 subscribers and I'm so happy for her. She's such a great YouTuber. Now that she did hit 500 subscribers, we will be doing a giveaway. We're each gonna give away a $25 Amazon gift card to one person. So she'll give away one $25 gift card and I'll give away one $25 gift card. So technically there's $50 at stake. All you have to do to enter in the giveaway is be subscribed to both of our channels. I will leave hers linked down below, and make sure you hit the subscribe on mine. Like both of our videos talking about the giveaway, and then it's really easy to enter. All you have to do is comment down below your Instagram handle, and that way once you do win, we will DM you and let you know. And also another fun thing we're gonna do is if you want to see the live results of who's winning, we're actually gonna do it on Instagram Live. So I think that'll be super fun. Her Instagram handle is xoxamarilys and mine is CasaRozay. I will also leave everything in the description box down below. So if you didn't catch it in this video, you can definitely see it in the description box. The giveaway will close, and this is very important, on March 13th at 10 a.m. and that's because we're going to announce the giveaway winners on Sunday, March 13th at noon. And that is all Pacific time. All that again will be in the description box, so I know it's super confusing, but it'll all be down there. So yeah, I'm really excited for the giveaway, and I'll probably be doing another one soon. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers, so I'm thinking I'll do a giveaway maybe when I hit 5,000 subscribers. I think that'll be really fun. So definitely make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss out on a video and another future giveaway. So let's just get right back into the video. So today I'm so excited to share with you guys my Facebook Marketplace scores. I actually have only, up until this point, sold pretty much on Facebook Marketplace. If you guys don't know, I left Los Angeles, California for Houston, Texas, and I upgraded my apartment. So I have a ton of more space now to fill, so I need a lot of more furniture. And I also, when I left LA, I thought I was going to be hiring movers and they were only gonna take a limited amount of stuff. So I did sell a lot of things, which in hindsight, we ended up moving on our own, so I could have kept them, but it was actually cool to sell a bunch of stuff that I probably wouldn't have even needed in this apartment. Like for example, I sold bar stools and there's not really like a bar area here, so things like that I knew I didn't need in this apartment. So yeah, I sold a bunch of stuff and then I put all that money into a savings account, and then I ended up pulling from the savings account that money and using it to buy all this stuff that I found here in Houston. So it worked out great. I didn't have to spend my own money on it. I just spent the money that I made, you know? So I love Facebook Marketplace for that. So I actually have a list of all the things that I bought so that I don't forget to talk about anything. Okay, but first things first, I want to talk about what I think is my biggest score and find on Facebook Marketplace, and that is these two accent chairs that I found. I am obsessed with these, so much so that the seller lived 45 minutes away from me, but that was not gonna stop me. The price was so good. So the price listed said $135 and it said like 2 chairs. Looking at these chairs, I would pay $135 each, honestly. So I hit her up and I was like, hey, is this $135 for both? And she was like, yeah, for both. And I was like, what? Like, I'm on my way. Like, and what's really cool about these is I think I hit her up and she didn't respond for like a couple days, and I think probably because she had somebody else interested maybe in the chairs, and then they flaked, so then she answered me and I was like, oh my god, I love you, thank you so much for flaking, because these are my chairs. Like, these are exactly what I was looking for, and I was looking for accent chairs for the space in my living room, and at first I was like, maybe I could get like a love seat or something like that, but I felt like 2 accent chairs would just be a lot more cozier. It would look like a little nook, you know, and I really wanted accent chairs. But when I was looking online, a lot of the ones I liked are the Target like Studio McGee chairs, and they're like $500 for one, or $200 for one, or somewhere $300 for one, and I knew I kind of wanted 2. When I found this, I was sold. Like, I didn't care if I showed up and they were like broken or something. I was like, I'm gonna fix it. Like, these are my chairs. So I absolutely love these chairs. They're these beautiful wood accent to my living room, which brings in a lot of warmth, as well as the seat is like a faux leather, kind of like a light brown, which I absolutely love. It's like a perfect neutral color, and I don't know where she got these chairs from, but they fit my living room so well. I do want to eventually upgrade my couch for like a white couch. I just think that would blend so beautifully together. But for now, with the gray couch, it still looks so good together. So happy about those, and worth the drive, worth the money. $135 for both those chairs. Like, are you kidding me? So they're perfect condition, like no flaws, nothing. So love those chairs. Another thing I noticed about finding this one is you can also search the kind of interior design style that you like. Like, a lot of people write mid-century modern or just modern or whatever, and she had listed these as boho style, and that's my style. So, well, mixed in with other stuff, but I do love boho pieces, so I searched boho and found these. So yeah, that was just a little trick that I learned. Some people do post that, not everybody, but some people do. So the next things that I really wanted were from IKEA, but they are sold out here. I think it's because of the pandemic, I'm not really sure, but IKEA sold out of a ton of stuff, and I actually have a ton of other things I want from IKEA, but they're all sold out. So I really wanted the Vitjo collection, which is this shelf behind me. It's the black metal with like the glass shelves. I wanted the double black one, and it was sold out at IKEA. So I actually was just searching Facebook Marketplace and OfferUp like consistently for this. So I would type in like IKEA shelf, and I ended up finding the single one behind me. And I actually found it on OfferUp, and I was so happy to find it, because she listed it for $35, and I think it's like $49.99 brand new. And I knew like you can't really mess up a glass shelf. Like, what are you gonna do, scratch up the glass? Like, it's really hard to scratch up glass. So I knew it was probably in great condition. I hit up the seller, she was super sweet, and I ended up picking it up. I did have to take it apart to fit it in my car, which was kind of a bummer, but I was so happy to do so because it was very easy to put together, and then I needed it, you know? So I ended up finding it I ended up using it for my plants originally in my little nook area, but I really wanted the double because that fit in that space, and I have so many plants that I was just cramming them all into this one shelf. And then once I ended up finding the double, it came back in stock at IKEA. I bought it right away. As soon as they texted the alert that it came back in stock, I bought it, and then I transferred all my plants to the double, and then now I'm using this for like decor in my living room, which I absolutely love. It worked out great. So really happy to have both of them. And eventually, when I do have a bigger place, like when I move again, I want to have a bunch of these and just have like a whole plant room. Is that crazy? But yeah, I'm definitely gonna keep this. Like, I'm never gonna sell it. I love it. So even for decor or for plants, it's such a great shelf to have. So just kind of tying along with that, I love the Vitjo collection. Like, I love a lot of their pieces, and they also have a glass coffee table that's the same, black and glass, and that's been sold out at IKEA forever. I think, don't quote me on this, but I think it's like 40 or 50 bucks at IKEA as well. And I found it listed on Facebook Marketplace for $35. But what really caught my eye about this piece is that she listed it with some home decor she was giving away with the coffee table included in that price. So for the $35, she was selling the coffee table, this tray, and then these two little candle holder things, and then this really cute vase with flowers. So it was all like kind of my aesthetic, and I didn't necessarily need the decor, but I wanted it. It was very cute. And then she ended up texting me or like messaging me on Facebook and was like, hey, when you come to pick it up, I have other home decor I'm purging. If you need anything else, like, let me know. And she sent me a picture of the stuff she had, and it was like a bunch of stuff. And I pointed out, I was like, oh my God, that frame is so cute. That plant stand she had, or like little basket she had, and then a lamp she had. I was like, yo, I love those. Like, how much would you give all those away for? And she was like, I'll give them to you for $15, like, for all of them. And then I started thinking about it, and I was kind of like stressed on money a little bit at that time, and I was like, you know what, I don't need any more home decor. Like, let me just get the coffee table because I actually need that. And then when I got there, she gave it to me for free, you guys. She was like, you can have, like, I can't believe she did that. She was like, you can have this. I do really need to get rid of it, and since you liked it so much. So, honestly, like, I'm so thankful she did that because I should have bought it. Like, I love those pieces in my home now. Oh, one of the, like, maybe the second thing I got when I came here, maybe even it was the first thing, I can't remember, but I wanted outdoor furniture, and here we have 2 balconies and they're actually pretty big in my opinion. So I knew I needed to fill that space, and we do like to hang out outside a lot, so I really wanted balcony furniture. And then I really want like cute like boho furniture, but I feel like I'm gonna eventually upgrade to that, but right now I just needed something there. And I found this black patio set, and the person was selling a bench, 2 chairs, and a coffee table, all for $150, which I don't know, I guess that could kind of be a lot of money, but he was also selling the rug with it and then like a side table that he had in the photo, but I didn't want those, so I just took the set. And they're very sturdy, clean, like feel like they're brand new and everything. Ended up putting the bench with the coffee table on one balcony and then the 2 chairs on another balcony that I have. So I just love it because it kind of completes those 2 balconies, and I don't really have to do anything. I don't have to think about it for now. Eventually I will upgrade to stuff that I like, but for now it just works perfectly to fill that space so we can use that space, you know. All right, so the next thing I found was somebody selling like this bedroom set, and they originally listed their bed frame and mattress, I believe, and then 2 nightstands with 2 lamps, and they listed it all for $300, but I really only needed the nightstand and the lamps, but I love them. I can't find the original post because they did take it down, so I just have like a screenshot of what they had texted me or messaged me on Facebook Marketplace. But I ended up asking them how much just for the nightstands, and at first they were like, oh, we kind of want to sell it as a set, so I understood and I left them alone. But then maybe they were having a hard time selling it as a set, so they did hit me up again and say that they would sell me the 2 nightstands and 2 lamps for $100, which to me was such a great price because I feel like that makes everything $25. So 25 bucks for a lamp and then 25 bucks for a nightstand is very, very cheap. You are not gonna find that in store brand new. When I was searching for nightstands brand new, they were all like at least gonna be $300 for a set of nightstands. So to be able to get it for 25 bucks a nightstand, $100 for everything all together, just that was a very, very fair price to me. Again, when I did pick them up, they feel brand new. I don't know why these people are giving up this stuff because none of it looks used. Like all the stuff that I pretty much buy feel brand new. But yeah, I really love the look and they are just so beautiful and such a good find. So sorry this video is so long, but the last thing that I ended up getting was I needed a full-length mirror, and I really love the one from IKEA, the Hovet mirror, but it's been out of stock since I've got here, and when I was in LA it was out of stock, so I have not been able to get my hands on it. And if I do see it come back in stock, I may still get it for a different area of the home, but I did need a full-length mirror because all I had was like just regular mirrors to see what I look like, but I couldn't ever see my full outfit. So I ended up finding this one on Facebook Marketplace. The way everyone I bought from was so nice. This girl was so sweet. She listed it for $40, which she told me it was like 6 or 7 feet tall, and I didn't believe her, but I was like, it looks big enough that I just knew it would work. Like even a 5-foot long mirror would work. But the thing I like about the Hovet mirror is that it is much taller than most floor length mirrors, so I really wanted that. I also love the wood accents on it. It definitely just fits my aesthetic. Eventually I may still get another floor length mirror, like I said, maybe the Hovet if it becomes available, but for now this is great. And for $40, like I feel like if I resell that, I could sell it for like $100, honestly. Like people pay a lot of money for standing mirrors, leaning mirrors, because they're kind of hard to find and they're kind of expensive everywhere you go. So yeah, that was definitely a great investment. All right, so that was the longest video I have filmed in a while, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys like this home decor style video, please make sure you do subscribe to my channel because I'm actually about to go, right after I film this video, go to Home Goods, Hobby Lobby, and IKEA and get some more stuff for the apartment. So I know I love watching haul videos, so if you guys like watching haul videos as well, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you follow my Instagram, which is CasaRozay, so that you can see a ton of cool stuff that I find when I'm out way before the videos go up. And with that all being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.